Hi everybody. Well, this is a video cable that I picked up on Amazon. It costs about $12, and this one is an adapter that goes from USB-C to HDMI. And I got this one because it's an entire cable and not just an adapter assembly. Looks like it comes with two cards. One of them is a troubleshooting guide. And it also comes with a user guide. I don't think I've ever seen a cable that comes with a user's guide. It's got a couple different languages on it. Let's take a look at the English one. There's one last bit of English on the back side. And let's take a look at the cable itself. It's a nice cloth braided cable, and the reason I bought this particular model is because the listing said that it will work with 4K 60 video, where most of the other cables would only work 4K 30. Has nice protective caps, and I also like the red color too. So, pretty cool. Well, if you have any questions or any comments, post them below. And thanks for watching. And if you like my videos, please subscribe.